Hello, this is Darren Centermani, and this is Module 9's I Have a Dream 2 speech. I have a dream that one day this district will continue to provide our students with the skills and knowledge to become successful members of society. The district will provide an education that is inclusive to all and will utilize the most up-to-date technology to assist in delivering top-end instruction. We will focus on the whole child and go beyond academic learning in our district, which will align with our district goals of continue to develop relevant and rigorous curriculum and program offerings in the district to increase post-secondary success, promote an environment structured toward an individual student, and to promote leadership development for all students. I have a dream that one day our students will receive personalized instruction that is tailored towards higher order thinking skills. By using the district's already in place project-based learning initiative as a cornerstone, my dream is for the district to make learning more relevant by utilizing challenge-based learning. The challenge-based learning model is a model that combines essential aspects such as problem-based learning, project-based learning, and contextual learning that is focused on real problems in the world. Students focus on big ideas, ask the right questions, find and solve challenges, gain an in-depth subject knowledge, and develop 21st century skills. I have a dream that one day our students will be able to collaborate with stakeholders of the district and the people of the world through network learning. With instruction focused on challenge-based learning and solving real-world problems, our students will be able to collaborate with and create connections with their students, teachers, experts, and other key stakeholders across the world using social media platforms the students are already familiar with. By networking with others from different communities, states, and countries, our students will be introduced to different cultures, backgrounds, and languages of our beautiful world while being challenged to solve real-world problems. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day our students will be provided with flexible learning spaces in order to accomplish challenge-based learning and network learning effectively. 21st century learning spaces are flexible, future-proofed, creative, and supportive of all learners. Additionally, they are able to promote learning as an activity, able to support collaboration, as well as formal practices, and be able to provide a personalized and inclusive environment. Students will no longer sit in rows of desks, but be able to have tables, rolling chairs, open spaces, interactive whiteboards, and other technologies to learn. This is my hope and faith. With this faith, our district will be able to create a collaborative school atmosphere that is student-centered and instruction is relevant to real-world issues happening in our lives. Teachers will have a shift of thinking towards their traditional beliefs of how a classroom looks. A teacher's role in instruction, how students access information, and how students present their learning. Students will be empowered to take control of their own learning with guidance from the teachers. This will be the day when our students will realize their full potential and what they can do for our community, state, country, and world. The teachers will work with the students as facilitators and guiders to lead the students in the right direction of education. Students will receive real-life work environments and issues adults face every day through these innovations. With these put in place, this would directly tie to our district vision of training tomorrow's leaders today. This is my dream for my district.